We are currently at the Naval Air Station in Jacksonville, Florida. I'm doing a couple of days in my RV here before going down to Kissimmee for the winter. And I thought, since this is a Naval Air Station, to come by here and show you all the planes that they have out here on display, planes and helicopters. And let's go check some of these out. That's a nice big wingspan on it. And let's check this one out over here, this BP-5. And it looks like this was in service from 1943 to 1975. There's a little placard on this one here. This is a rather old one here. That's really neat. And like I say, we're on the Naval Station, Air Station here in Jacksonville, Florida. Over there is the sign for the Naval Air Station. Must be quitting time right now because you see all the vehicles exiting the base. And here's a helicopter. H3C King. There's a little bit of a write-up on it. I'm not seeing, oh yeah, there it is. This particular helicopter at this HS3 was in service from 1961 until 2005. Okay, and let's check this one out in here. It looks like it's NES Jacksonville 75th anniversary. A Sherman NS2 for piloted, and there's a picture of it on the USNS Nimitz. There's a door. This looks like it's the EA-6B Prowler. There's all the history on it. The wingspan is 53 feet. Length is 60 feet, and the height is 17 feet high. This was retired in 2019, this particular type of plane. I don't know what happened here, but this is A7 Car Star 2. Like somebody. And this was in service between 1967 and 1991. Nice plane there. Go around back of it here. We'll see another plane here. This is the VF-174. Another Navy plane here. Check out the nose of that one. And it looked like this was in service between 1957 and 1987. Check this out here. This is an F14 Tomcat. And it looked like this has been placed in the park on January the 11th of 2005. A little write up on this one here. Get up here and check out what this what type of plane this is. And there it is. It's the S3 Viking. A little bit of a write-up on it. And it looks like this was placed on display the 24th of March of 1998. It's been out here for a while. And then here's another helicopter. Machine gun there. You see up there with where all the blades are and how it propels and stuff. There's the exhaust for the helicopter. Check the exhaust out on this one here. This is the gets off the USS Intrepid. The wingspan here. The propellers. This looks like this in service between 1954 and 1975, and this particular plane was placed here on display in 1998. And check this one out over here. The A4 Skyhawk. So a little bit of history on the A4 Skyhawk. It looks like it was in service between 1956 and 1979. And it was in the service in the late 80s. And it's been on the display here at Jacksonville Naval Station. Come around to the back here and check out that's where I guess that's where the fire comes out. This looks like a particular airplane that would have landed on an aircraft carrier. And there you have it. The aircraft they have on display here at Naval Air Station in Jacksonville, Florida. Naval Aviation Centennial. And this looks like it's a P3. Been in service since 1962, and it looks like it was put on display in June 15th of 1990 for the Naval Air Station's 50th celebration. This plane is also lit up at night. That's a big one. There's the tail wing. Definitely wouldn't want to be around the propellers when it was running. Okay, let's go check out some other things here on the base. Okay, making our way over to the Marina, I really seen a nice piece of artwork here. It's this is a Seabees battalion here on the base. Construction Battalion Maintenance Unit 202. And you see their little mascot here, the bee, the hammer and the wrenches, and hold the machine gun there. Yeah, this thing is really neat. We build, we fight, can do since 1942. And also here's a piece of a bulldozer here that the Seabees use. And we're going to be heading over to the Marina over there. I have this piece of artwork that the Seabees have here caught my eye. I wanted to stop and get a picture of it and show y'all. And there's the different ratings for the Seabees. Okay, let's move on to our next spot here. Okay, we're out here at the Marina. We're gonna go out and check this area out back here. They do have a really nice marina here at Naval Air Station Jacksonville, Florida. And we'll go out here in the pier, and I don't see any signs that say you can't go out here, so private dock. Oh, I guess it is boat owners and guests only, but we'll go up here to the end and check this place out. This is the St. John's River here, and these boats here are all privately owned, I believe, by military members. There are some Navy boats over there. I'll see if I can get this to zoom in. And there's some Navy personnel out there going on the boat. But this is a really nice space. I guess there's so many things you can do here. Oops, sorry about hitting that sun there. And there's a storage unit over there by them fences where I guess you can store your sailboats or your boats that you can enjoy taking out here on the St. John's River. And there are a lot of nice sailboats out here. I don't know what they're doing over there. I guess they're doing some kind of maneuvers. Just give you a little 360 view of the area here. Okay, let's go on to our next shooting spot here. Okay, what would any base be without a swimming pool? And check out this pool here. This is a really huge pool. It has a nice water slide. I guess it's currently closed right now, but it does look nice and clear. And they have some ball fields out there, and over here, these buildings over here, that's the Navy Exchange, and the building further on out there is the commissary they just built a couple of years ago. And they also have some basketball and some tennis courts on base here. But yeah, this is the sun's really in my eye. Let me turn around this way here. This is a really nice base here. I really enjoy. This is about my 5th or 6th or 7th time here. I'm not really sure, but I've been here many times before. I'm gonna end this video adventure here in Jacksonville, Florida. I sure hope you all like it. I sure enjoyed making it for y'all. Until our next adventure, I will see you. Bye now. Also remember to give me a thumbs up if you like this video.